we know that from talking to our users and followers, a lot of them like Wolf River Coils for POTA. What's the big benefit of a Wolf River Coil antenna while you're out trying to set up on a POTA activation?
This is Ham Radio.
I'm Jim, N4BFR, and I am here with
Terry at 9AOT.
And Terry, you are with
Wolf River Coils.
All right, and what does Wolf River Coils do, if I couldn't guess by all the antennas behind us?
Well, we basically make antenna coils that it can be used in either mobile, portable, or some temporary homemade installations and stuff. They're variable coils. We call them a poor man's screwdriver, right? Because they'll tune from 10 to 80 depending on the coil you buy by just sliding a collar up and down.
Okay. Now, is it just the coil, or do you have the whole antenna assembled?
We actually have just a coil, but we also have complete kits.
Okay.
And if kits will be various type of kits. We have a dipole kit, we have a vertical kit, we have high power kits, standard 100-watt kits.
Now, we've been focused on our YouTube channel here for a little bit on Parks on the Air specifically.
Yep.
And we know that from talking to our users and followers, a lot of them like Wolf River Coils for POTA. What's the big benefit of a Wolf River Coil antenna while you're out trying to set up on a POTA activation?
Well, what's nice about them is that they're very simple. No tools are required to put up the antennas. Mm-hmm. You can have versions of dipole versions, something like this one over here, where you can have a dipole, and they have no radios involved. So if you go to a park and they get a little, you got a lot of kids running around, you don't want a ground wires right now.
Nice V-shaped dipole there.
V-shaped dipole.
Okay.
And it can be mounted right there, just like on a speaker stand like this. Doesn't have to be elevated or anything else like that, and still operate very well. I do quite well with that. I use that primarily for my POTA activations.
And it looks like you could probably just pop one of those off and use it as a vertical if you want to.
That's correct. Yes.
That's great. That's nice.
Absolutely.
Very utilitarian.
And then of course we have our different antennas that are on stands.
Well, so tell me about this one. This one's got a little bit of a different coil to it than the other one.
Right. This is what we call, but people have been calling this now the POTA activator or whatever.
Okay.
It basically comes with a 213-inch whip, which is 17 feet 9 inches.
Wow.
So the whip by itself is a quarter wavelength on 20 meters.
Oh, great. Okay.
And then if you want to do something like 17 and 15, you just collapse it down to a quarter wavelength of that particular band.
Got it.
It's on a 24-inch stand, so it's kind of pretty stable. It does come with all the radios. We only show one radio there because it's a set of 3 radios.
Great.
And then inside there, we have what they call the Sporty 40, which is a bypass, which is a pass-through coil. Right. And that gives you 40 meters with the whip. So a lot of people that operate POTA would like to operate, 10 meters, 15 meters or 20 meters, and then go to 40. And that's
so it's natively resident on 20 as a vertical,
right?
But you can work 40 with it because the coil will be in there and take effect when it needs.
That's correct. That one there can actually run about, as far as the power limitations, no power limitations. What we had is we had a lot of people running FT8, especially on POTA, and they wanted to run 40 or 50 watts.
Yeah.
Our standard coil will only handle about 20 watts with that. Okay. That here, because it's a pass-through coil, will handle all the power you want to throw at it. So there's no issues with that. It is a very, very popular antenna because, again, it's a full true quarter wave on 20 meters.
It looks really easy to set up and
very easy. Yep.
I see you got some pictures here. Lots of people setting them up on trucks too.
Oh yeah. Originally, when we started our business, we've been in business about 16 years now. Right. And we originally started out basically building them for the car. That's how this whole thing started out.
Okay.
And around 2016, they had the year-round POTA contest on AWRL.
Yeah, the national park.
That's correct.
Yep.
And unbeknownst to us, we did not know it. The person who won the contest was using our products.
Awesome.
We did not know that.
Awesome.
So, of course, come 2017, QST sends us an article saying we're going to publish this article sometime in 2017. Is there anything that we need to change?
Oh, that's great.
And of course, that did it. Well, once that did that, we became kind of the POTA people.
Well, go to POTA people. Yeah, absolutely. I know you're really popular.
Yeah.
I'm looking over here. You don't just do HF antennas, though. You've got a nice little dipole.
This is actually made by another manufacturer, but we have a deal with them. They live out in Utah. So we do kind of a trade deal with them where we sell them coils, they sell us the J-poles. They go to Hamfest we don't go to.
Right.
And so this way kind of gets our...
Oh, nice to...
It's a nice compromise for everybody.
East Coast,
it's a very nice, easy... It can actually be used portably like we have it, or else there's also mounting screws. So if you use it permanently, you can use it permanently. And what's nice about it, it comes in a very compact bag. That's the whole antenna right there.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. I could definitely see taking that to like a field day,
Right.
or a MCOM activation.
Now, as part of our agreement, we do not sell these on our website, but the gentleman that has that sell them on his.
Okay, great. So Anyenna.com, or just search Anyenna on YouTube and you'll find it.
Find it.
On Google and you'll find
Just to be fair to him.
No, that's awesome. Nice to let people
And of
know.
course, we have a variety of products and accessories for everything. So
Yeah, you've got a lot of different, you got high power coils, you got
the standard
mini
coils.
coils, so plenty of things for different people's
This is also another very popular for people that do a lot of the soda work.
Right.
Because it's very compact. It comes with a 78-inch width instead of a 102.
Okay.
And our testing has shown that there's very little difference between a 102 and a 78.
Okay.
And of course, to be able to pack something like this, the whole thing is about 16 inches long.
Nice.
And that's easy to take.
That'll go great in a backpack. Lighter is better.
Yep. And it's under 3 pounds altogether.
Even for POTA, lighter is better in a lot of ways.
Correct. Correct.
What are we missing? What didn't I ask you about as far as antennas and POTA and Wolf River Coils?
I'm not so sure. I'm not sure. We do have a newer item. I'd say a newer item. This is going to be on our website coming soon.
Okay.
We've had a couple people, especially in an HOA area.
Yeah.
It's basically the same concept as our coil, our portable antennas.
Okay.
It's a base antenna. It's a single band, multi-band antenna. So you set it for whatever band you want. We'll run 500 watts of power.
Okay.
But what's nice is that there's no tools required. It comes with its own stake. Comes with ground radios. It comes with the cord to hook up to the coax.
Yep.
But what's nice about it is it just has a button release. You can take it apart. So if you want to stash that in the evergreen bushes or something like that,
Oh, that's a good idea.
and then at nighttime, put it on there, go operate 40 or 80 meters or something. You can operate and then take it apart. Get your HOA don't realize you have an antenna.
Get patriotic, put a flag on it.
That's right.
They'll never complain.
So that's going to be on our website probably in about 2 weeks.
All right, Terry, we will watch out for that.
Very
Thank you very much. Give us your
Thank you.
website address.
It's wrcoils@hotmail.com is our email address.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's www.wrcoils or wrcoils, Wolf River Coils. All three of them will take you to the same spot.
Or they can just go on a search engine and type
That's
Wolf
right.
River Coils.
You'll find it. Absolutely.
Terry, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your POTA successes, and we appreciate your good work.
Thank you, Bucks.
73.
Bye-bye.
We've helped over 60,000 students get their US FCC amateur radio license, and we can help you too, no matter your age or educational background. Go to www.hamradioprep.com and try a free lesson today.